is Andrew P. Buragay, and I am 22 years old. I live in Sitio Salvador Tribe, Umbugan, Antipolo City. I'm currently studying as a fourth year college student in Marikina Polytechnic College, taking Bachelor of Industrial Technology, major in food service management. My skills are good at communication and give attention to detail and positive attitude. I graduated in Gardner College, my senior high school, and it is located in Cainta and taking course of ICT programming. I had my first on-the-job training at Chives Bistro and Market, a semi-fine dining restaurant. I experienced there being a waiter and kitchen staff, and my second OJT is in um, awesome events catering service. To this company, I learned on how a proper table setup, usage of proper chinawares, and event setup. My native language is Filipino. Filipino Tagalog motto in life is time is gold. And my hobbies are playing badminton and playing volleyball.